lobby. Here's the check-in desk. Really cool, like Italian Riviera style resort. Pretty big sitting area down here. Neat carousel. There's looking outside on the bay. Some boats out there for decoration, I think. We'll walk back this way. There's another little, like, indoor-outdoor portion, I think. It is inside, but it has a glass roof and a cool fountain here. This kind of looks like shops and things down this way. Looks very, lightened up a little bit. Looks very Italian street-like. Looks like some of the gift shops are down this way. I'm sure we'll be exploring that a little later. There's a map of the floor plan. Oh, it just went away. I'll head back out this way for now. And Piazza Centrale is over here. This actually is outdoors. Pretty warm out here today, so it's empty right now, but nice big open courtyard. Looks very, very nice.
Right, we've checked into room 3271 here at Portofino. This is the last room at the end of the hallway, all the way down. And upon entering, we got this little mirror and a coffee set with a little stand here. Also a hand sanitizer and ice bucket there. Then it enters into the room here with the bathroom on the left, but a big old closet here on the right. It's got the luggage rack, standard stuff here, and for some reason an empty bag with no linens or anything in it. That makes some sense. Ironing board and hair dryer is up there. Then we go into this bathroom. We believe this is a handicap room with all the space. Has the commode over there. Also the mirror, makeup mirror is a double vanity. And it does have some, looks like some lotions and creams. And it does have the shower tub on this side, with some more shampoo and conditioner there. Not as tall of a shower head as it was in Coronado, so it's rough on the tall guy, but full-length mirror on the back of the door here. Then above the commode, a picture of actual Portofino. Come out of the main bathroom here, the only bathroom really. This is the main room. It's got a chest of drawers here with the TV. I don't feel like the TV is as big as the one we had at Sapphire, but it's still substantial. And then here is the overview of the entire room. Big fixtures with large mirrors on both sides, a nice big headboard. This is the king size bed with the end little ottoman here. Decent size on the end tables. And then it's got a little love seat, it looks like. I'm not sure whether this is it's a pull-out. So room for an extra person to sleep there if you really wanted to. And then a decent sized table and chairs here to get work done. And more pictures of the actual Portofino on the wall. And finally the view. It's of the lagoon and some trees. It's certainly not as nice as the one we had at Sapphire Falls, but it does look, I believe this is the exit right here to the walkway to Universal. So pretty quick walk. There's through the trees we can sort of see the water taxi. It's taken off right now. So a pretty quick walk from this end of the resort to the water taxi or to the walkway to Universal. So I'll take you on tour of the rest of the resort here in a few. But that's the room. That's the Brittany. What do you think?
I like it. It's nice. It's very similar, I would say, to the Coronado room that we just came
I think it shows a little more age.
It does show a little bit more age, but obviously there's a big difference in age.
Yeah.
But yeah, still I would say about the same size space. Obviously king bed.
Yep.
And the other couch was a pull-out couch as well.
So
yeah.
Is this a refrigerator right here? I believe so. Yep, we got a refrigerator and pull-out tray. So we're about to get the luggage and we'll check in with you later.
I saw it. I can't see it.